Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my monochromatic makeup look that I had in my wavy hair tutorial. So first of all, you want to prime those lips. I just use like whatever lip balm I had. Then I'm going to prime my face with my NYX primer. For my foundation, I use two different foundations. Everything will be down below as usual. I'm using a L'Oreal and a Maybelline foundation. One of them is darker than the other. I always go a bit darker just because when I use darker foundations, it's less ashy on my skin. So I just want to make sure everything is well blended. And I'm gonna do my brows now. I have a brow tutorial. I'm gonna link it down below like usual. It's the same routine that I did before, so the link will be down below if you guys want to see it. So I use my Anastasia brow waves in the color Ebony. So first you want to fill them in. In this tutorial I'll fill them in like really lightly just because I have a bit of sparse hair in one of my eyebrows. I don't know why, don't ask me, but there's always one brow that's different from the other. And now I'm just going to conceal with my Maybelline Fit Me. It's really the exact same, so just click the link down below if you guys want to see all the details on my brows. So after I conceal, I'm just gonna blend everything in with the same brush I use for my foundation. It's just a big brush so it goes faster. You can always use a beauty blender, just mine is really dirty right now, so I use my brush. But it works as well. So I brushed them out just to make sure everything is well done. And now I'm gonna set my foundation. Well, set my foundation and my concealer because I crease during the day and I get really oily. Just want to put it everywhere I put my concealer and everywhere I get oily throughout the day. Next, I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit with my Anastasia Espresso color in my contour kit. So I'm using a fluffy brush because I don't really want to contour, I just want to bronze it up, add a little bit more color to my face. And now this is like the big step. I'm going to do my eyes. So I use my Vampy tattoo liner. On my eyeliner, this is the closest I could be for my eyeliner if you guys wanted to see it. So this is how I do it. I don't really know how to explain it. It's really self-explanatory. This is how it should look. So for the next eye, what I do, I start in the middle, and then I bump the middle. I go in my corner, I drag it out, and then I just connect the two lines together and fold it in. And then if you want it to be bigger, you just go a bit on top and try to make it equal. And now I'm gonna use any mascara because anyways I'm gonna put false lashes on top. And I'm gonna use the same one I always use, my Kiss 11 false lashes because they're my favorite and they're really natural, and I always go for natural lashes. They're also really easy to apply, so that's why I love them. Okay, so for the color, my monochromatic color, I wanted to use purple, so I'm using my Huda Beauty Warm Brown palette. So I'm going to use the color purple, and I'm going to use a dome brush. I'm just going to drag purple on my lower lash line. A pretty like decent thick line, not too big. Just want to make sure it goes all the way in the corner. I'm going to add some mascara. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush just to blend everything in so it's not just one harsh line. And then I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold number 100. And just want to highlight all your high points like my forehead, my cheeks. And for my lips, I'm going to use Bordeaux by Annabelle lip pencil. And then I'm going to use my Kat Von D in the color Crucifix to fill it in. So you can always use whatever color you want. today I used purple. It's really easy. As you can see, it doesn't have to be like super like eyeshadow everywhere on the eyelid. I just use a little bit of purple under my eye, and that's it. And I set with my all-nighter by Urban Decay, and this is the finished look, you guys. So if you guys liked it, put a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you like my video. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.